Try 5 Chevy time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1957 Chevy 210 two-door hardtop. Nice looking car. Black exterior. Interior is a white, black, and gray kind of combo. We'll check that out here when we get around to the passenger side. 283 era correct V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with a Power Glide automatic transmission and also power brakes. As you take a look at the chrome, bright work, grille, headlight surrounds on the front of this, shows very well. Take this to any of your local shows, cruise-ins, roll-ins. Car definitely will stand out. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that engine bay, check out the underside, you'll be able to see the interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, our phone number 507-386-1726. This particular car was with the same gentleman from 1970s up until recent, when it was bought by his neighbor from an estate. He has driven it, enjoyed it, had some fun with it, and decided it was time to part ways. The gentleman that got it in the 70s actually purchased it out of California. As you can see, riding on American Racing, polished aluminum wheels, and you can take a look at how straight that car is, and you know those long panels in black, if they're not straight, it will show. So you can see how nice and straight that is, as well as the bright work looking good, lined up nicely. Here's your interior cloth vinyl combination, again, of that white, black, and gray. A few aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. Retro sound style radio that does work. I've had that working, as well as the wipers. And we'll check those out when we get around to the driver's side also. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust, and does sound very nice. Small block Chevy 283 really sounds good in this one. If you want to check out that engine bay, trunk area, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's how you're going to get there. Take you right to the still pictures. I would guess there's anywhere from 80 to 90 of them online. Take a look up and down the driver's side here. Again, those long black panels, and you can see how nice they look. Also see the reflection coming off of them. How about one all the way to the front door here? Down below there you can see it. So nice luster of the paint. Paint is a nice quality. It's black, of course. You may find a small imperfection here or there. The car has been driven. Stock looking dash, with the exception of that aftermarket radio and the little gauge cluster. Take a look at door panels. FYI, this was originally a V8 car also, which you can tell by the VIN, of course. First digit in the VIN is a V. Second one is a B, so it is a true 210 also. Interior, the vinyl and cloth, nice shape, front and back. Headliner, also very nice shape. That almost looks like it could be an original headliner. Wouldn't surprise me if it was. Visors also. And again, you can see that in the still pictures. Take a look for yourself, see what you think. Let you hear all the engine sounds. We'll fire it up here. There you go. Like I said, nice little rumble, good sounding 283. Got a nice deep exhaust on it. Here's that retro sound radio. And again, radio works. Aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. And I mentioned the wipers do work. Run those ones for you so you can see. The wipers are good. Radio's good. Take a look at the dash. Nice shape. Looks like original steering wheel even. Hey, how about the 210 logo there? Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back of this so you can hear it from the rear. Like I said, nice deep sounding exhaust on this one. All right, I'm going to slip up here. Let's pause this a second. Let me get the hood open, and we'll see how that engine bay looks.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, hood pop. First of all, underneath hood, nice and tidy. Previous owner obviously had the screen up in front of the aluminum radiator, keep the bugs and crud off of that. Now take a look at this. 2-quad setup, so dual 4 barrels on there, and boy does that sound good. Run good. There's your power brakes. Very cool setup on this one. If you watched the videos before, lots of times you hear me say it's what you don't hear that may be the most important on these engine videos. Listen how quiet and smooth that is running. There you go, looking for a nice 2-door hardtop Tri-5. Give us a call. It's 1957 210 2-door hardtop. Well taken care of car. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description to take you right to us. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with the sales associate when you call in or email.